It's that time of year again. It's the Joann Fall Stitch-a-long. We have not just one project, but we have four, and there are four different hosts. So I'll be back in a few seconds, but I'm going to pass the ball first to Tiffany at Daisy Farm Crafts. Here you go.
Hi, I'm Tiffany from Daisy Farm Crafts. For this year's annual Fall Stitch-a-long with Joann, I will be doing a fun tutorial for this mock cable crochet throw. Now over to our next host.
Hi, I'm Tamara from mooglyblog.com, and I am so excited to be part of this Joann Stitch-a-long this fall. I'll be taking my one ball of Bernat blanket extra thick and turning it into this gorgeous round table knit pillow. That's right, it's table knit. No needles needed. We're just going to be using our fingers to make this beautiful squishy pillow and make our homes cozier than ever. On to you.
Got it. Bernat blanket extra thick is our yarn of choice. We're going to be making a beautiful crochet basket. You want to see? Yes, here it is. A beautiful basket using 2 balls of Bernat blanket extra thick in the color iced. I'm going to teach you how to do this right from the scratch. It's a square bottom basket. So we are going to start off with a square and then work our way around. And I'm crocheting this as if you were a beginner for the very first time. And it's pretty exciting. But we have to change this back to a ball for our next host. Want to see a magic trick? When I drop this ball, it's going to magically, through the magic of the internet, turn into Bernat Forever Fleece for our next host, Marley. You ready? Here you go.
Oh, thanks, Mikey. I am so excited to be using the Bernat Forever Fleece yarn this year for my 4th Joann Stitch-a-long. I am showing all of you knitters out there how great it is to use size 13 needles, this really squishy yarn, to make this beautiful basket weave wearable blanket. This is one of those blankets you are going to want to wrap up in the minute it is off the needles. So don't delay. Join Tiffany, Mikey, Tamara, and myself for the Joann Stitch-a-long.